Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning: your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So after a long time without posting any video, because I am very busy, I'm writing ebook about trading, I have selected simple and profitable strategy inside the ebook. So today I'm going to show you one of the strategy which is included inside the ebook. So let us start. Yes, here this is bad, it's very bad. Let's change. Yes, here maybe. No signal here. So here you see market comes down. Market break this level. Yes, here you see this area. This is nice area. So let me draw this area. This is very nice. If market come to this level, I will place my trade. See here, let's call option here. I place my trade call option here because of this level. See, strong bias breakout. So this is the engulfing. Yes, this is very nice area. So that's why I place my trade call option. We have 7 seconds. You see this swing trade closing the money, but because of this zone here, because of this zone, that's why. Here, because of this zone, You see, I know definitely I would have placed my trade here again, but no problem. I will wait for this zone. This is another zone here. Here is another zone. So if market close inside this zone, I'll place my trade, put option. Market close here, I will just place my trade, put option now, because this is the strong zone here. See rejection, see already. So let's check another one. Yes, here is very nice area. I'll place put option here. I place my trade put option because of this zone. This is, you see, this is very strong area. You see here and here. So this is very nice area. I know definitely this candle must be red, even though market is doing some panic. See, I will place put option again. I place my trade put option again because I know definitely here market must reverse. This zone is very strong, so I'm expecting strong red candle here inside this zone. So that's why I place my trades again. I'm expecting strong candle inside this zone because this is the engulfing zone. Market is doing panic, but I know definitely this candle must be red. I'm expecting strong candle. You see, you see strong candle. You see very strong candle. See, this is another winning trade. So let me explain. So the strategy I was talking about here is engulfing zone strategy. Is included. I have explained in detail inside the ebook. You see here what I can see from this area. I place my trade here. You see here is the engulfing candle. This is the engulfing, and here is the zone. Sorry, you see here, and you see here. So this is the area. So I know definitely buyers must enter here. You see weak buyers, but you see the next candle buyers enter strongly. So I know definitely at this zone buyers will enter. So I'll explain it in detail inside the ebook. You see here, this is the engulfing. If you compare, if you do candlestick mass, this is the strong engulfing candle at this area. So that's why I place my trade. So when market close inside the zone, you'll just place your trade. So this type of strategy has three concepts. It has touch close at the level concept, it has breakout concept, it has touch the level concept, touch the zone concept, close below the zone concept and the close at the zone concept. So it has three concepts. So I have explained them inside the ebook. So when I have finished the ebook, you will see everything is in detail. And here you see this one here. This is the engulfing zone. This is my zone here, you see here, and here this is the zone. It's very powerful. Here this is touch the zone. You see, market touch this and rejects, then I place my trade. So I know definitely, you see here, market didn't break the zone. You see sellers again, you see sellers again. So assuming you are trading here, you can place your trade. After market, you see close at the zone, close here, touch the zone and reject, here close exactly as the zone. So you can trade after breakouts of the zone as well. So this is very, very simple. You don't need to see support and resistance, you don't need trend line, you don't need anything. You just try to identify the zone, then you just place your trade. You see here is another zone here. Market close at the zone here. You see I can place my trade here even though there is gap. You see here, this is zone, strong zone here. So I know definitely this one must be red. So let's see. Because this zone is very strong zone, you see this is very powerful strategy. So as I have explained it in detail inside the ebook. If you get the ebook, you will see, you read it and you understand it very well. So you see I took total 4 trades, all are winning trade based on this concept, based on this strategy, engulfing zone strategy, which is included and explained in detail inside the ebook. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.